The school bell rings, and it's not just the start of a new day, but the beginning of a new adventure. Remember that feeling, the mix of excitement and maybe a few little butterflies as you walk through those familiar gates. You're greeted by smiling faces, your friends calling your name, and teachers who genuinely look happy to see you. It's more than just a building. It's a community where you belong. First up, the classroom. It's a world of wonder. One moment, you're diving into the mysteries of history, and the next, you're solving a tricky math problem that suddenly clicks. The teacher isn't just talking at you, they're guiding you, encouraging you to ask questions, to think bigger. When you finally raise your hand, feeling that spark of confidence to share an idea, you can see the pride in their eyes. It's in these moments that learning becomes a journey you take together. Then comes the best sound of the day, the lunch bell. It's a time for sharing more than just sandwiches. You share stories, laughter, and maybe a few of your fries with your best friend. The playground buzzes with energy, whether you're scoring a goal in a game, inventing a new secret handshake, or just sitting on the swings talking about everything and nothing. These are the moments that build friendships that can last a lifetime. The afternoon is all about creativity, splashing paint on a canvas, building something incredible with blocks, or bringing a character to life in drama class. There are no right or wrong answers here, just pure expression. It's a space where you can be yourself, discover hidden talents, and see the world in a whole new way. School isn't just about memorizing facts, it's about discovering who you are. As the final bell rings and you pack your bag, you're not the same person who walked in this morning. You're a little bit braver, a little bit smarter, and a little more connected to the world around you. Every high five, every question answered, and every shared smile adds a new page to your story. School is where we grow, where we find our footing, and where we learn that with the right support, we can achieve anything. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more stories like this.